Here, we're going to install Rockland's 250-pound foldable aluminum 3 e-bike rack carrier with ramp.
Provided by Rockland for review.
Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Greg, and in this channel I create product reviews, mods, install guides of cool car accessories and gadgets.
Here is all the parts you will receive. So I find it easier to install everything on the hitch. So we're gonna get this part. We're gonna go ahead and slide it in on your 2-inch receiver. They give you 2 bolts. For my specific vehicle, we're gonna use the longer of the 2. Go ahead and use that and screw it into place. It's a size 24. Then we take your cotter pin and just lock that bolt on the other side. Then we're gonna get this bar, make sure it is facing down this way. This bar will slide on top. Then you wanna get this pin. We're gonna lock it into the second one. Just by pushing it through. Then you wanna get your pin to lock that into place. Get your bolt. We're gonna screw that into the second hole, and then your nut. Then you want to get a size 24 and go ahead and tighten that nut. We're gonna install this onto the tray. You want to use a size 16. Just want to slide this in. Then you have your locking washer, then your washer, and just screw them into these 4 holes. We're gonna align it and screw it loosely. Tighten them. Then you want to repeat those steps on the other 2. Alright, now I have all 3 bolted into place. Put this tray on this bar here. As you can see, you can slide these bolts right on in. So we're going to go ahead and align. And just slide the bolts in to lock it into place. I'll show you one more time underneath. We have these bolts here. We can just slide them in. Just like that. Slide the other side. Then we can tighten the nuts. To tighten, you want to use a size 13. You want to repeat that step on the second and third tray, but you want the trays to alternate. So this, you want to go this way. Take this arm, we're going to remove this bolt along with the locking washer and the washer and another plastic washer. We're going to insert it from the back out into this hole right here. So you're going to have one washer. Go ahead and insert the arm. Then you're going to have the plastic washer. Then the metal washer. Then go ahead and insert the bolt with the washer and the locking washer. Then you want to get a size 18, and then we're going to go ahead and tighten that. If you have a torque wrench, you want to tighten that to 50 pounds of torque. I'm gonna repeat that step on this side and this side. Make sure the bar is coming outward. These bike mounts, and we're gonna slide it onto the pole. We're gonna loosen it up, slide it in, and then tighten. And one more to go. Then we go ahead and screw this pin into place. This is just to keep you from losing it. It goes just like this, then it locks just like that. This 2-inch receiver here is to hold your ramp. And so you don't lose it, take the pin and just lock it. Now to lift the bike rack up, you want to pull that pin and this pin. Then you lift the bike rack up. There is a top hole here where you insert that pin that you removed. Make sure it's aligned. Perfect. Once it's in, go ahead and put the pin. Now your bike rack is in the stored position. We have a heavy duty bike rack which has a max weight capacity of 250 pounds. Max weight per tray is 100 pounds with the last tray at 50 pounds. This here is your detachable ramp for easy loading and unloading. Simply slide these slots onto the rack. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and load this 76-pound e-bike up the ramp and lock it into place. So here we have your adjustable rear ratcheting straps, so you can lock the rear wheel. Simply lift to adjust, slide it close to the wheel, then lock it into place. Then you're going to take your ratcheting strap, slide it through. Does have a protector for your wheel. Then go ahead and strap it on in. Next, we're going to secure your bike frame with this 360-degree locking mechanism. You can adjust the height, turn this knob to adjust the height. Then you can secure it to your bike frame. Your front wheel cradle, which fits up to 5-inch wide wheels. We're just going to go ahead and strap that front wheel into place. Now we have a secured bike. You can secure your bike firmly in 3 different locations: your rear ratcheting strap, your bike frame, and your front wheel cradle. So there's your second e-bike all loaded up. And for the third tray, we have another e-bike, a youth one, less than 50 pounds. Now we have all 3 e-bikes locked and loaded. This bike rack weighs 88.2 pounds. Fits any vehicle equipped with a 2-inch receiver and supports e-bikes with a wheelbase of up to 50 inches. The rack is elaborately designed to prevent direct contact between the rack's metal surface and your e-bike, avoiding any potential scratch or damage.
If you're interested in this product, I'm going to leave the product link in the description below. If you have not done so already, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and I'll bring you more content just like this. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.